So hello, my name's Tony. I flew over from the UK. And basically I come about 4 months ago, started my treatment. I had 16 crowns basically filed down and then 7 implants. The whole process was brilliant. Don't get me wrong, you get the sensitivity, you get a little bit of pain. I said, but the actual process of doing anything, you don't feel nothing. It's just a little bit of aftermath, but it's to be expected. You're having surgery, aren't you? So, but you're well taken care of. Do you know what I mean? I got good painkillers, ice packs, all the stuff you need. And then I went home, healed, had good Temps, which were a winner back home. They were loved, but and then flew back this week, and yeah, pretty much had it all in. Went for a natural look, nicer color to pretty much match my missus' teeth really, and yeah, just very happy, man. It's been really good, man. I got to come back for just 1 implant you can't see, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, so I'll just go out now, enjoy these, come back in when it's nice and hot in summer, and just get the last 3. But yeah, other than that, man, it's been brilliant. So I'm very happy, very happy.